What's the meaning of bouffant? Bouffant. Bouffant.
Bouffant. Bouffant. The term bouffant refers to a hairstyle that is characterized by a full, voluminous appearance. It typically involves backcombing or teasing the hair to create a rounded shape that sits high on top of the head. The resulting style is often associated with a glamorous and sophisticated look, and has been popularized by various cultural icons throughout history, such as Brigitte Bardot and Jackie Kennedy. Overall, the bouffant hairstyle has come to represent a certain level of elegance and femininity, making it a popular choice for formal occasions and special events.